I'm going to show you how to clean your Ortho-K lens. Hold the lens between your index and third finger. Apply 2 drops of daily cleaner onto the lens. Rub the lens 10 times with your index finger, third finger, and thumb respectively. After rubbing for 30 times, position your hand vertically. Rub the lens 30 times again while rinsing with saline. Then flush the lens for 3 times. Insert the clean lens into the basket of the barrel case. Fill the barrel case with AO sap up to the line. Close the barrel case. The bubbles indicate the lenses are being cleaned. Soak the lens for at least 6 hours.